Hello, everyone. Going to go through the process of completing the assignment 1.2 MRC or Math Resource Center assignment. Just to let you know, the Math Resource Center assignment is not located in the class portal that you're currently in, be it MA 2000 Quantitative Reasoning or MA3 Business Statistics course. It is located in a separate class portal, and I will demonstrate it how to complete this assignment inside the scope of the video. But to give you an overview, to complete the assignment, you're going to complete a 5-point quiz that resides inside of the Math Resource Center. And that 10-question quiz, again, it'll be 10 questions, each worth a half a point. This quiz can be completed an unlimited amount of times. So if you do not get the full 5 points after taking it after the first attempt, it can be completed an unlimited amount of times. This quiz opens at 12 a.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time, depending on when you are taking the course, Monday of week 1, so the very first day of class. It closes at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time of Sunday of week 3. So you have a total of 21 days to complete this quiz inside the Math Resource Center. Now, technically, this assignment is due after the first 7 days or at the end of week 1, and you're given a total of 14 days late to submit this assignment. Because of the nature of this quiz and the interaction from the math faculty lead to move the scores from the Math Resource Center into your respective class portal gradebook, this assignment is only accepted for credit the first 3 weeks of class. So there are no late submissions of this assignment after week 3. So you get a total of 21 days. And this would also include any approved accommodations that are with the university. So technically this assignment is due after the week 1 and is open 14 days afterwards. So this would encompass any approved accommodation that the university would have, either for 8 or 10 days being late. So technically, you have 3 weeks to get this assignment done. Starting the beginning of week 4 inside your respective class, it would not be accepted for credit. Now, keep in mind, this is only a 5-point quiz, so it is a very minimal part of the overall grade. But this assignment is only open for the first 3 weeks of class. Now, a couple other things as well. The scores, unlike all your homework assignments, your quiz assignments, anything you do inside a Math Resource, inside of My Math Lab or My Stat Lab, automatically updates to the class portal gradebook. This does not, because there is manual intervention the math faculty lead has to do each week. So the schedule on which that 5-point assignment will occur inside your class portal gradebook, the first update will occur Monday of week 2. The second update will occur Monday of week 3. And the final update, the third update, will occur Monday of week 4. Now, sending me an email asking, hey, I just completed this 5-point assignment or the Math Resource Center assignment, where's the score at? It's not necessary, and you'll be informed of this video that it is only updated 3 times, because again, this is a manual process that that myself as the math faculty lead has to do each week. So it will be updated within those 3 time frames, unless it's been announced inside the class portal that there would be a delay. But typically Monday of week 2, Monday of week 3, and Monday of week 4, you will see the updated score inside your class portal gradebook. So we're going to demonstrate completing that assignment 1.2. Where do you need to go to complete it? If for some reason when we go through the list and you do not see this entry for Math Resource Center as one of your classes to get into, you will need to contact NAU technical support and have a ticket open. Unfortunately, as your instructor or math faculty lead, there's nothing that I can do to have this added. Typically, once you're enrolled inside the class, you're also enrolled into this Math Resource Center or the MRC. But if for some reason you don't see it in the listing of the classes, your point of contact is NAU technical support. And unfortunately, as an instructor, I can't enroll. I don't have any control in terms of enrolling students into a class. So that would be your point of contact if you don't see what I'm showing as this first step here in the next few minutes. So anywho, let's go ahead and I'm going to close out of this PowerPoint. We're going to go into the main page. After you log in to D2L, you typically get a screen that looks very similar to this. What you are looking for in terms of the Math Resource Center, there should be, if you click on this square up here, the 9 little squares that are there, there should be an entry that I'm hovering over that says the Math Resource Center. This is what you are looking for in terms of your first step to complete. The other thing that's typically there, depending on how your setup of the main page looks, there also should be an entry here that says the Math Resource Center as well. So those 1 or 2 options is typically how you get into the MRC or the Math Resource Center. Because as I made mention before, this is a separate class portal. You don't go into your MA 2000 class. You don't go into your MA 3000 class. You have to go into this separate class portal to complete this quiz. So either up here at the top, again, the MRC entry that's there, or down here in the list of your My Courses. Either one will get you in. So again, I'm going to click that, click the Math Resource Center. And just as a side note, since you're here watching the video, you will notice that there are different times here that you can obtain help throughout the course. These are different scheduled times that either myself as your teacher or instructor, as well as other math faculty, have posted times that are out here either to assist you inside the class. So if you want a live session, these are Zoom sessions that you can go into throughout the week. So simply clicking on one of these will open you a link to a respective Zoom session. I'm using that as a sidebar as you can get additional help throughout the week in terms of one of these sessions that are out there. And granted, you'll notice a lot of times the ones that I do are typically early in the morning. I also have other faculty lead responsibilities. So if for some reason you're available early in the morning, stop by and you're welcome to take a look as well. But you don't have to use myself. You can use the other math instructors as well. Typically Sunday evenings, these are all times are listed either Mountain Standard Time or Mountain Daylight Time. There's typically a tutoring session that's in Sunday evenings. Now, if there's a holiday coming up or something, it may not be listed there, but Janet typically does a tutoring session Sunday nights, and that's a lot of times when students are available. But typically, most of the faculty office hours are early Monday morning. That's the time where we do a lot of our facilitation and gradings inside the class. So we have that listed there. But any of the math faculty can assist you if you've got questions. This will open up a Zoom session by clicking one of these respective links. Now, back to the Math Resource Center assignment. The first thing you're going to want to do after you've opened up this class portal is you're going to come over here to this button where it says, go to assignment 1.2 Math Resource Center quiz. You're going to click on that guide. And then you're going to see an entry here that is whatever term you're currently enrolled in. At the time of this recording, Fall C of 2022 was being done. If it was Winter A of 2023 or any future term, whatever the current term is, you're going to see that entry. Don't worry so much about whatever is listed there in terms of the week, but it does have to be completed the first 3 weeks. You can't go and if it opens up the next month for a subsequent term, you can't complete it. Yours has to be done the first 3 weeks of your respective class. So it may say Fall C 2022, it may say a future term on it, but regardless, you're going to see this entry here that says assignment 1.2 Math Resource Center here. So you're going to click that, and then you will be prompted with here. It'll say, for taking the quiz, review your weekly announcements. That would be the housekeeping announcements, those videos that I have posted inside of either the announcements and or send email to you, review the syllabus, and anything inside the Ask the Instructor forum that's out there, if there's anything that's been posted. Again, as I made mention, you're going to complete those questions, unlimited amount of time. So if you take it the first time, you get a poor score on it, fine. If not, you can go in and do that. And I'm going to go in here just a second. I want to go in and show this just slightly different here. Go back, assignment 1.2, and now we're showing it as a student, what I was showing there previously. So anywho, okay, so this is what you're typically going to see there. And I'm going to do a, whoop, hold on. It's not giving me that. Okay, I'm going to come out of that. I'll show, you're going to have a button that actually shows the start of it. So again, assignment 1.2, let's go back in that way. And I'm just going to do a preview. You're going to have a button that says start it. So you're going to click preview, and it's going to look something very similar to this. So you're going to click the start quiz, and then you're just going to simply complete what's listed here. Again, there's a total of 10 questions that are here in terms of different things. So if you need assistance with a math assignment, this has been addressed either in the announcements or the syllabus. Look through, everything's Mountain Daylight Time, Mountain Standard Time. So just go through, complete those 10 questions. Again, if you miss one of the 10 or a handful of the questions, you can take this quiz an unlimited amount of time. So after you complete it, you're going to come down, click submit quiz. You'll be prompted to submit quiz again. Obviously, I didn't complete all 10 of the questions, so I got a very poor score. But again, that's where you're going to go in, complete those 10 questions. Now, again, if you go in and that score's not 5 out of 5, you can do it an unlimited amount of times. Hopefully this was helpful. If there's questions on how to complete the assignment, feel free to contact me. Thanks. Have a good day.